I'm sure you'll agree that headaches are chuffing horrible and that you'll want to eliminate them from your life for good. So I'm going to teach you natural ways you can get rid of them more effectively than prescription drugs and without the side effects. I'm Duncan, a GP with over 18 years experience working as a doctor in the UK, but I've also been lucky enough to experience several medical problems through my life. These include migraines, stress headaches and cluster type headaches, which are one of the worst things I've ever experienced. So what I'm going to teach you through this video are the natural methods I studied to manage my own headaches with excellent results. By that, I mean I've not had any headaches for the past 5 years, and I used to get them all the time. I've also had countless patients benefit from this advice, so keep watching to find out how you can benefit too. What you'll learn can be used instead of medical treatments, but it's also fine if you're already taking prescribed medication. Before I go over the methods of treating your headaches, I'll quickly explain how I see headaches. I'm not a fan of medical explanations and much prefer simple and logical ways of seeing things. So rather than go over the details of cellular metabolism, mitochondrial function, and your inflammatory pathways, I'll explain things in terms of your brain's energy and inflammation. Your brain is the control center of your body and mind, and it's a greedy organ. It uses 20 to 25% of all of your body's energy. If it runs out of energy or becomes slightly inflamed, you can get headaches among many other symptoms, such as brain fog, fatigue, low mood, and poor memory. The modern world seems to be perfectly set up to make your brain run out of energy and become inflamed due to things like busy jobs, rising costs of living, modern processed food options, lack of sleep, the list goes on. To cope with these factors, you need to give your brain the fuel it needs to make more energy so it doesn't run out, and you need to reduce the factors that lead to inflammation, such as stress, lack of sleep, and ultra-processed foods. So, what do you need to do? The first solution allows your brain to make more energy so it can cope with the demands of the modern world. Riboflavin, aka vitamin B2, is a vital nutrient your brain needs to produce energy in its cells. Studies have shown that taking very high doses of this vitamin can significantly reduce the frequency and severity of migraines and stress headaches. Riboflavin is also showing promising benefits for other neurological diseases, such as dementia and Parkinson's disease. I also find it very helpful for managing ADHD and see it as increasing your brain's fuel tank to allow greater energy production. 400 milligrams once a day is the most common dose used in clinical trials, in both adults and children. However, I have had many patients still gain benefit from 100 milligrams a day. My family and I take a good quality 250 milligram capsule once a day. It's now possible to get 400 milligram tablets and capsules on Amazon.com, and I will add links to all the relevant supplements in the description. Riboflavin is very safe and does not interact badly with any other supplements or prescribed medications. The only side effect is it causes luminous yellow urine, but this is totally harmless. The next solution for your headaches is magnesium supplementation. Your body contains around 25 grams of magnesium, and it's essential for hundreds of vital reactions and functions, including in your brain. Even if you eat a perfectly healthy plant-based diet, you're likely not getting enough magnesium to function adequately in the stressful modern world. One of the main reasons magnesium helps reduce headaches is that it's used by your brain to prevent over-excitability of the brain cells. Over-excitability not only burns through more energy, but it also leads to inflammation. Magnesium also acts on the NMDA receptors, which is how paracetamol and other painkillers work to reduce pain. So magnesium can also help manage chronic pain in other areas of the body, as well as reducing your headaches. Like riboflavin, magnesium has many other health benefits, from boosting mental focus, reducing stress, reducing anxiety, improving sleep, and improving your memory. This also makes it a helpful supplement for ADHD too. The guidance on magnesium dosage ranges from 300 to 600 milligrams a day, usually in 2 separate doses. There are several different types of magnesium supplement, each with varying absorption rates. Some forms of magnesium can have laxative effects, so I always advise magnesium glycinate or bisglycinate, as this is very absorbable with much lower risks of gastrointestinal side effects. To make sure you are getting the 300 to 600 milligrams a day, check the product information on the supplement you choose, as most state the amount of elemental magnesium per dose, which is what you need to use to get the right amount. Most supplements are designed to give the right dose when taken twice a day. Again, I'll add links in the description to help you find decent products. If you like to improve your health naturally and avoid doctors, consider subscribing to my channel, as I'll be expanding on the content to help people achieve optimum health, happiness and longevity. Another promising supplement is Co-Enzyme Q10. Your brain uses it to produce energy and as an anti-inflammatory compound, so it can target the two main causes of headaches in my simplified explanation. Studies have shown doses of 300 to 400 milligrams a day can significantly reduce the severity and frequency of migraine headaches. It has also been trialled as a treatment for many other neurological diseases, but the results for those are mixed. Coenzyme Q10 has a good record of safety, and it's well tolerated in most people. As with any medicine or supplement, gastrointestinal side effects have been reported, but I've not had any patients experience problems. I no longer take Coenzyme Q10, simply because I find riboflavin and magnesium, and the other options I'll be describing shortly, work well for me, and CoQ10 can be slightly more expensive these days. But if you feel you need the maximum benefits, it'd be worth a try. Just a quick note on ginger, which has been shown to work slightly better than the prescription medicine sumatriptan to abort migraines in a proper randomized clinical trial. Even as little as 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground ginger can help, but I would advise 1/4 to 1/2 of a teaspoon mixed into warm water taken as soon as a migraine starts. Ground ginger is more potent than fresh, as the drying process converts the beneficial gingerol into the stronger shogaol. These compounds have strong anti-inflammatory properties, which is likely how they work to help treat migraines. I personally have 1 teaspoon of ground ginger every morning in a unique cocktail, as it has many health benefits, including fat burning. I described the full health boosting morning drink in my How to Burn Fat Faster video. I'll now go over some additional points to really help you get on top of your headaches, while also optimizing your overall health. Supplementing with omega-3 can help thanks to its anti-inflammatory effects. High EPA omega-3 is better for mental health and brain function. Ensuring you have adequate vitamin D levels is important to keep your brain working well. Vitamin D is actually a pre-hormone made from cholesterol in your skin when exposed to sunlight, and it's vital for optimal hormone and immune system health. A simple multivitamin daily is also helpful to ensure you're getting the rest of the nutrients needed for optimal health in today's hectic world, even if you already eat a healthy diet. In some people, headaches can be triggered by neck problems, so you could add the simple exercises in my neck pain video into your daily routine to regain perfect posture and take pressure off your nerves. Eating an anti-inflammatory diet essentially means your blood bathes your brain in anti-inflammatory compounds. This reduces headaches, but also significantly improves mental health and brain function, while also reducing the risk of most chronic diseases. See the part 2 of my sinus health videos for more information about an anti-inflammatory diet. Sleep is vital for every part of your body, particularly your brain. During sleep, your brain washes itself via the glymphatic system to remove toxins and byproducts that build up during the day. Sleeping less than 6 hours a night means your brain can't do its housekeeping properly. So aiming for 7.5 to 8.5 hours a night will hugely help your headaches and boost your overall health. Mindful practice can help reduce stress, which then reduces inflammation in your brain. I've made a short video about ashwagandha, which is an excellent supplement to reduce stress, and also a video guiding you through a neuroscience-based breathing technique to reduce stress. So check these videos out to get yourself into a calm state of mind. If you are experiencing headaches, please see your own healthcare provider. I can't assess you through a video. I hope you found this video helpful and that you can get on top of your headaches too. Please add a comment if there's anything you'd like to know, or if you have any suggestions for future videos. Always remember, we are all part of the universe together. Much love.